back to Happy Bake Day. My name is Amanda, and today we are going to be making a dish that you absolutely need to add to your Thanksgiving menu. We're going to be making a creamy scalloped potatoes with smoked salmon. For my smoked salmon, I'm going to be using Ducktrap's lightly smoked salmon fillets. These fillets are so wonderful and they're really easy to make. They are lightly smoked, so it's not too overwhelming. They are nicely salted, so you don't have to season too much. They bake in your oven really beautifully. The skin peels right off, and then I really like to flake this, not only in our recipe today, it's great over salads, it's great mixed in your scrambled eggs. This salmon is so versatile because you can really make it however you like. You'll place 10 ounces of Ducktrap lightly smoked salmon fillets on a baking tray that's been lined with some parchment paper, skin side down. You're going to bake your salmon in an oven that's been preheated to 400 degrees for 16 to 18 minutes or until the salmon is cooked all the way through. Once your salmon is done, remove it from the oven, and you're going to carefully remove the salmon skin and use a fork to flake the salmon into small to medium-sized chunks and then set it aside. Next, in a medium-sized saucepan, you're going to melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then, add 1 small yellow onion that's been thinly sliced and cook, stirring occasionally until the onion is soft and translucent. Then, you'll add 2 cloves of minced garlic until they're beautifully fragrant. After that, stirring constantly, you'll add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme leaves, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. You're going to bring this to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally, and then once it's simmering, remove it from the heat. Coat a large, very deep cast iron skillet in some olive oil. You'll need 32 ounces of Yukon Gold potatoes that have been peeled and thinly sliced, and I've sliced mine about 1/8 of an inch thick. You're going to arrange half of the potatoes along the bottom, overlapping them is great, and then you'll scatter half of your salmon pieces over the potatoes. Then you'll add 4 ounces of gruyere cheese that has been shredded and 2 ounces of parmesan cheese also shredded over your salmon. Once that's done, pour half of your cream and onion mixture over the top carefully to get it in all the nooks and crannies. Last, you'll sprinkle with 2 tablespoons of fresh dill that's been chopped. And then you're going to repeat the layering process. Your potatoes, your salmon, your gruyere and parmesan cheeses, and then this is ready for baking. Before baking, you're going to cover your skillet with some aluminum foil, and then this is ready to go into the oven that's been preheated to 375 degrees. You'll bake it covered for 45 minutes until the potatoes are nice and tender. Remove the foil and continue baking uncovered for another 25 to 30 minutes or until everything is beautifully brown and bubbly. Remove it from the oven, allow it to cool for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you're going to sprinkle with an additional tablespoon of freshly chopped dill. And with that, our creamy scalloped potatoes with our smoked salmon are done, and they are oh so rich and delicious. Of course, I could not have done it without my lightly smoked salmon from Ducktrap, and I'm sure you saw just how easy this is to cook and to make, and it adds such great, beautiful flavor to our scalloped potatoes. It's beautifully complemented by the creamy, cheesy sauce, of course, that bright dill, and really it's all tied together, and it makes such a great side dish, not only for the holiday season, but anytime you want something rich and hearty and comforting. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to follow me and Ducktrap on social media and visit Ducktrap's website so you can order the salmon for yourself. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy bake day.